Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, at the end of this video, I'm going to have another update on Amy. Let me adjust this a little bit. Yeah, right there. I'm going to have another update on Amy and another update on the stun guns. Y'all don't want to miss it. Y'all please subscribe to my channel. Give me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. I do read them, every one. And please share my videos out. It would help me tremendously. Okay, y'all. I'm going to tell you right now before we get into this video, I am not bashing Donald Trump. I'm just telling you the news that I've heard today. You may hear on other YouTube channels from other YouTubers that there will not be a vote until September the 14th. That is simply not true. There will not be a scheduled vote until September the 14th. That don't mean they can't come back to Washington and vote anytime. As you know, they're on recess, but they're on a 24-hour notice to come back at any time to vote on a package. So if you hear that there won't be a vote until September the 14th, that is simply not true. Unless you're in Mooch McConnell's head, you don't know when that next vote's going to be. It's just your opinion. Just because you're a CPA, that don't make what you say fact. It's just your opinion. Donald Trump executive order for unemployment boost is not going to fly because most states are now saying that they do not have the money to back this up. Therefore, this will not work. The Democrats are now saying that they will not challenge Donald Trump's executive orders. Instead, they want to see each state do that themselves. Now, if y'all remember, was it just 2, maybe 3 days ago, the Democrats said that they would take him straight to court? Ain't it funny how fast things change? I don't think they know what they want to do. And here we go again, helping the rich get richer. President Trump said that he would cut capital gains tax. Unless you've got a lot of money in the stock market, this will not help you one bit. This is made to help the rich people get richer. I don't know about you, but I'm not rich, so it won't help me a bit. Y'all, China has created a vaccine for COVID. Now, I know everybody is hating on China right now, including me. But they got a vaccine they say works, and they've only been working on it for a few weeks, few months. They've done small amounts of testing, and it works, they say. And they will use it on their own people. Y'all, let's just see what happens with their people. If it works out good for them, we know our medical, whoever it is that approves this stuff, the Food and Drug Administration, they take years to approve anything. And they've got it done this fast. So let's just see what happens. If it works, they say they're going to sell it to the rest of the world. I, for one, would be in line to take it because people are dying with our Food and Drug Administration dragging their feet on getting things approved. And if you're most likely going to get corona, what do you have to lose? But first, I want to see it work on their people first. I don't want to be their guinea pig. But if it works, who cares where it comes from? It could come from under a rock in the desert. If it works, it works. We're at that point right now that we can't be choosy of where the cure comes from. Okay, y'all, got an update on Amy, and then I've got an update on the stun guns. The update on Amy is she's remarkable. But she is 95% back to normal. This morning she woke up. I'm sorry, it was yesterday morning. My days are all running together. Anyway, yesterday morning she woke up and she said, I want to cook dinner tonight. I've been doing all the cooking, all the cleaning, everything, and I don't mind it. I love doing it. But she said, I want to cook dinner tonight. I watched her real closely and made sure she was okay, but she's got this dish that she makes with butternut squash and hamburger meat. I don't know what you call it, but all I know is it's really good. But we enjoyed that, and she's coming back, y'all. She's almost back to normal, and I want to thank you all for your prayers and all your support through that hard time. I've never went through anything like that before, and without your prayers and God answering the prayers, my wife wouldn't have made it, and I wouldn't have made it. And I want to thank you all. Okay, an update on the stun guns. I do have stun guns. I will not be running out of stun guns anymore. The only ones I've got is black. That's the only ones I will be getting. The purple and pink are not available anymore for me. So if you want your black stun gun, the link is in the description box, and it's also pinned in the comments. So it'll be the first comment that you see. Just click on that link, go to the website. Everything is there that you need to know about it. So y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And I make these videos every morning at 6 a.m. Please come back every morning at 6 a.m. to see my morning video. And if anything happens that warrants a new video, I'll make another one in the daytime when it happens. But I want you to all know I love you all. You are my extended family, and I wouldn't have a channel without you, and I don't take you for granted. I love you all. Until the next time, please watch these two videos that's popping up on the screen in just a second. If they're not already there, watch those two videos. Whether you've seen them before or not, watch them again. Just turn them on and let them play for a minute. It would help me, and I need all the help I can get. Y'all, I do love you all. Until tomorrow, ciao.